Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO Reno 14FS, and today I will show you how you can put this device into recovery mode. So, to get started, we need to turn off our device by holding power button and volume up, and then you want to swipe down to turn off your device. After a moment, you'll feel a vibration, which means that the device is now fully powered down, and we can now hold power button and volume down instead. Now, the moment you see logo, let go of the power button, but keep holding volume down. This presents us with the language selection. Now, on the camera it's barely visible, but there are two other languages. So we have the last one, English, so that's what I'm going to select. And in here we only have three options, which two of them are just ways of leaving this mode. So we have format data, which is a factory reset of the device, deletes all the data from it, and it's only protected by a code right here that you just need to type in as a confirmation. And this is completely unrelated to your screen lock. And then we have the reboot device, which you can barely see right here, and power off. And when I click on it, you can see reboot device and power off. So anyway, I'm gonna click on the reboot device. The bottom, just a confirmation. So we're gonna click on OK. And this will bring us back to Android. And as you can see, we're now back in Android. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.